Good morning, students. My name is Rajesh De Cruz. Welcome to the learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. So, children, today we will have History Class 8, Chapter 2, Exercise. So, children, first A. Answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. First, where was the Supreme Court established by the Regular Act of 1773? A. Kolkata, B. Bombay, C. Madras, D. Pune. The answer is option A. Kolkata. Second, the first French factory was established at Surat in dash. Option A 1668, B 1768, C 1658, D 1758. Answer option A 1668. Third, dash introduced the Dole government in Bengal in 1765. Option A Lord Wellesley, B Robert Clive, C Lord Dalhousie, D Sir Charles Napier. The answer is option B Robert Clive. 4. The dash was signed between the British Shah Alam II and Sujadawla in 1765. The option A Treaty of Bengal, B Treaty of Allahabad, C Treaty of Hyderabad, D Treaty of Allahabad. Answer is option D Treaty of Allahabad. 5. The Dutch East India Company was established in dash. The options are A 1604, B 1600, C 1664, D 1602. The answer is option D 1602. 6. The Treaty of Basins was signed between the British and Dash in 1802. The options are A. Madhav Rao II, B. Peshwa Baji Rao II, C. Hyder Ali, D. Tipu Sultans. Answer is option B. Peshwa Baji Rao II. Also, children, the answer is written beside the options each. Okay, children. Now next B. Match the following. First, civil services. The answer is option E. Lord Cornwallis. Second, Warren Hastings. Answer is option A. Ended Dole government in Bengal in 1772. Third, Second Anglo-Maratha War. The answer is D. 1803 to 05. 4. Subedar. The answer is C. A post in the police system of British India. 5. Satyendranath Tagore. Option B. First Indian to qualify for ICS. Okay, children. So, answer of the match the following is also written below the match the following. Also, in option B, there should be ICS. By mistake, it is written ITS. So, please get it correct. Now, C. Answer the questions in about 50 to 70 words. First, why did Mir Qasim become infamous among the British? Answer. Mir Qasim became famous among the British because of some measures taken by him. First, modernization of army. Second, attempt to improve the finance of Bengal. Third, attempt to check the misuse of trade. 4. Abolition of taxes on internal trade. Second, what was the Diwani right? Answer: the right to collect revenue from the subjects of a territory was called Diwani right. Third, what is the concept of the rule of law? Answer: the principle that all people and institutions are subject to and accountable to the law, that British applied and enforced the principle of government by law is called rule of law. Question number 4. What do you understand by the Cornwallis Code? Answer: the Indian Civil Service (ICS) established by Lord Cornwallis, which separated the Indian administration into commercial and revenue branches. Promotion based on seniority are called the Cornwallis Code. Question number 5. Give an account of the main reason behind the Second Carnatic War between the British and the French. Answer: the Second Carnatic War between 1749 to 54 was fought in the issue of successors to the throne of Hyderabad and Carnatic, with the British and the French supporting opposing candidates. Okay children, so please write the exercise in the note copy and keep ready for the corrections. Also, please subscribe my channel and share the video. Thank you very much.